Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. We're in the middle of a trading here on Friday, December 10th at 9:26 a.m. Central. This is a 1-minute chart. Excuse me, gapped up here, made a double top. I don't know if you can see. Well, that's irrelevant. Okay, so what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me undo this so I can show you guys what we're doing and why. Okay, as soon as we saw a 5-wave move down and a move up, we bought a put, an at the money put. I think it was 46.90. Anyway, we have an ABC up. So we want to see, by the way, this is this move. This is the Fibonacci retracement levels of this move from the close yesterday to basically the open today. So we saw 5 down. Okay, so we want to catch the next 5 down. We should see a 3 up and then a 5 down. This applies, this is a 1 minute. It could be an hourly, it could be a daily, it could be anything. It always moves 5 one way, 3 the other way, and then 5 in the main direction. Okay, so we want to see how far up. I'm going to move this out so there's no confusion here. That's something different there. So let's recreate. Here is the retracement of that 5 waves down on a 1-minute chart. There we go. You can see it's sitting between the 618 and the 786, and this should be ABC. So let's see here. Let me put in an extension for that. Okay, and here is A, and there is B, and that's pretty close. There's where C equals A. There's C equals 1.618 right at the 786 retracement. Where are we wrong? We're wrong if it goes above here, 47.05. That's where we get out, okay? But once this 3-wave bounce is done, and it doesn't appear that it is yet, or perhaps it is. By the way, it should be a 3-3-5, 3 up, 3 down, and 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we could get one more bounce up here. Once that is done, we would do a 1 here, a 2 there, and a 3. I don't want to confuse you guys with too many numbers here, or lines, but let's assume, just for the sake of this trade, that this is, here, I'll put it in here for you guys. Okay, we're building this here. That's 1 because it's 5 waves. That's 2, and it could be up here, but we'll put it here for now. And 3 would either be here or here. Here's where it's equal, and here's where it's a 1.618. So we're just going to throw 4 and 5 out there to get them out of the way. So we're looking for this to top here or right up in here, and then we should see 5 more waves down, and we're looking at 46.80 for a target, or possibly 46.67. I like to buy at least 2 positions, and then you take profit on 1 here, and if it runs, you take profit on 2. Okay, so this one should get you hopefully double your money, and if the other one goes the wrong way and goes to 0, your worst case is you are even. So we're watching this here. Let me move this out of the way because we got ahead of ourselves there, and this is what we're looking at. We're looking at right here to 47.0. Let's get in here a little bit tighter. 4700, 4701, and this high I believe is 4705. Okay, so we may have to just excuse me, watch this play out. Okay, there's A, B, and C, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we'll get one more up here to 4700 or 4701. See how many minutes this takes to play out. There it goes. Okay, should be a 3-3-5 correction. 3 up, 3 down, 5 up. A, B, C. Let me put that in there for you guys while this is doing its thing. Obviously we had an early entry there, so not a great entry, but still an entry because we saw 5 down on a 1-minute chart. There, we're going to anticipate that going to there. Let me line that up. There we go. It may have stopped short. We're going to have to watch this. You can see I've got a stochastic going on here. It's not a be-all, end-all by any stretch, but we will see how this goes. That could be, see, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a very smallest of scales, 1 minute. So we could get shorter, but I I like scalping on the 1 minute and or 5 minute charts here. You can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a correction, almost 100%. Can't go higher than that. So if this is the very beginning of the next 5 waves, then we would see a 1, 2, get a lower low, which we're getting now. We need to see this accelerate to the downside, because if this is 1 and that's 2, then this is 3. Okay, we still got those targets up there in case this is not complete yet. Again, it's a B, C, 3 up, 3 down, 5 up correction. That's what we're looking at. Let's see this play out here. Bear with me a moment. This video might take a few minutes here. What are we, so many minutes in already? A couple? Okay, we'll see this play out here, guys. I got that C on top of that too. Let's put that down there. Let's line that up. There we go. Let's line that up. We still don't know if we're right yet, okay? We're going to allow this second wave to go up here, if it's not done already, right here. And then where are we wrong? Up here. Always got to ask yourself, where am I wrong? If this is 5 down and this is 3 up, it should not go above this, okay? If it's wrong, that means I counted that wrong. If it goes up above there, we should see A, B, C at a minimum. A 5 down, 3 up, 5 down. It's coming. It's coming. We're at 46.92. All right, let's say, since this went lower, let's just, again, we're going to look at this third wave, or C wave, and see what we're looking at here. We're looking at a 1, 2. I'm going to remove these. I would keep them for me, but I'm removing them for you guys. Okay. Okay, so that's 1 down. That appears to be 2 up, and it's actually here. Don't know 100% for sure until we get below that previous low. That's this one here. Okay, there's 1, there's 2. Okay, and then there's 1, 2, 3. It's equal right there. It's going to get a, sorry, it's a 1.618 right there. So far, so good. If this is 1, 2, and 3, then the move up on 4 should hold below here. Okay, and we're watching it. It's a pretty good move so far. Well, we want to see it take out this low, and then we'll get the target on that. So far, so good. Scalping on a 1 minute chart here. Yeah, this is good. Might do a double bottom right here and then go up and then down, because that's right where the 2.618 is, and that's where the wave 1 low is. Again, this could be 1 down and then A up, B down to a double bottom, and C here. Just giving you guys all the different possibilities that we got to keep in mind, okay, as we're scalping here. I have to look at that option, but if I had to and I was not sure, I might just take profit right here, or we could wait for that third wave to go past the wave 1 low. Move this B over here. There we go. There's that ABC. So far, so good as we're watching it develop. Yeah, I wouldn't be too surprised if we get 1, 2, then 3 to here, and then 4 and 5. And that could be just one of the larger wave 3. Watching this thing develop here. So far, so good. And this could be a 4. 4s are long and sideways by nature, unless this 3 decides it wants to do a 1.618. I'm sorry, a 2.618. There's where it's 1. There's where it's 1.618. There's where it's 2. Where is it 3? Down there. Okay, remember this 4 and 5 are just sitting there out of the way. Here we go. Okay, this 3 is, there's the 2, hit the 2.618, going through it. This is a good sign. Okay. Now we're going to see if it hits the 3.618. Third waves are strong and powerful, can take on any Fibonacci multiple that they desire. Looks like this one wants to go to the 3.618. I'm probably in profit now, but I got that on a different screen. Here it goes. Yeah, the third wave, strong and powerful. Okay, we're going to see it go here, and then I may hit pause and go. So we're going to watch that play out. We may continue this one later, but yeah, and it goes in between them right there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Where is the 4? Let me get rid of this. We don't need it anymore. We went below that low. There we go. And so this is 1, 2, this is 3 it looks like. Let me get the retracement. See where this is going to go. Watch the red lines. If this low doesn't hold, then we're looking for a move up to 46.88, and this is right around 90, 91. 618 is 93. It can't go above here because that is 1, 2, 3 now. Let me get that in there for you guys real quick. Let's get a 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. There's a 1, 2. That 3 could still be lower. We got to watch this play out. Okay, but let's put that 3, 4, and 5 there. Let's make that a different color so we don't get confused. Settings. Let's go with. Dang it, got the wrong thing. Get on this here. Settings. I'm not hitting that. 4 right there. Settings, there we go. Let's make it purple. Okay. Good. Okay, you'll see where this goes. I still think it has a good chance to get to the 3.618 here. There we go. We started this back here near the open. There's our first 5 waves down for 1. There's an ABC for 2. Wave 3 is developing. It's subdividing or extending. 1, 2, 3. So far it went in between the 2.618 and the 3.618 multiple. And we're looking for a 4 up. Here's our targets. There's our first one. 46.88. Again, 4s are long and sideways by nature, so we have to watch it and see. This does look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's. Can you see it there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's probably 1 of 3 if that makes sense to you guys. Okay, so I'm trying to use different colors here. Let's make. I like the retracements always to be in red to not confuse. Retracements are red. Main trend is black. Here you go. We'll see what this does. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 right there. And there's a first wave up. It should be an ABC, unless it's really, really strong. Again, this is a 1-minute chart. There you go. Make it a little thicker for you guys. And we're watching it. Scalping here on Friday morning, December 10, 2021. I think you guys get the picture. 4 should go up here. Where is this wrong? 4 can't go above here. That's the wave 1 low right there. Okay, when it goes up there, you're wrong. Okay, I'm wrong. I'm sorry. And we're looking for a 4 and a 5. And this is either wave 1 of 3 of 3 or 3 of 3 of 3. Let's stay with it, see where this goes here. Okay, we're at 46.85. Looking for a move below the 46.82 low here. This looks like a strong, powerful move here. This is good timing. You can see this ABC, ABC, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, 3, 5 for the correction, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By the way, these 4s, let me label this while this is doing this, just so you guys know. A lot of these 4s have been butting up right up to the wave 1 low. They can't go above it. There, you can see there. See the low of 1. Let me move that up. There is right here, and that is. See, I got that dotted line. The low of 1 in purple and the high of 4. 4 can't go above the 1 low. A lot of these have been going right up to it, so that's a great trading opportunity. If you see a 5 waves down and you're looking for a 4 up, you see we got a 1, 2, 3, and here is 4. That's a good trade right there. If you can catch that top, you can have 2 or 3 chances there. 1, 2, 3 chances. And again, it's a tight stop. If you're buying a put or going short here, there's where you're wrong, right there. So if you can catch that 4, you can get this 5 and take profits and then endure this, and then now you got a lower, you got even more profits. So there's a lot of different ways to trade this. And again, this is a 1-minute chart, but you can swing trade with hourly or even daily. You don't have to scalp. A lot of times I hold positions for minutes when I'm scalping, swing trading for hours or days, and you can long-term trade on a daily chart or even a weekly. So that's what we're looking at there. This is playing out. This is getting to be long, but I think you guys see where we're at, okay? This looks like a 4. See how choppy it is, long and sideways? Wouldn't be surprised if it goes A, B, C up to here. Let's just see if that's the end of B. Let's get a C up on here. See, we're analyzing as we are trading. Okay, so there is the A up. There's the B down, and we may be premature, but then again, if it is the B down, we're looking for a move up right here. And if that is correct, we could add to our position here and then get out here. That's where we're wrong, okay? Always know where you are wrong. So that's what we know. The bigger count, 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, okay? We're wrong on this when it goes above that high. 1, 2, 3 here. We're wrong on this when it goes above the wave 1 low. Okay, we look to be in a 4 now. Boy, I'd like to see this just jump up there and then give us a down for our 5 and our larger 3. See the different colors there to differentiate the degree of trend, if you will. Okay, here we go. We're taking out that low, so this could be all of 4, or maybe this is A up, B down. Maybe B down is going to make a double bottom. Okay, now we're going to remove this. There we go. Okay. That could be all of the rise up. It is if this goes below here. We're going to see. Okay. See how we, as we're analyzing, we allow for it to go up here, but it may be here. It's here. 4 is here if this low is taken out. So so far, it is not. Let's see here. That's 82.30. Getting close. We're making money, kids. Fans, we're making money. Let's see if it's going to make a double bottom and be an A up, B down, C up, or if it's just 4. We'll know shortly. This is the fun of scalping on a 1-minute chart, and I like to move to 5s too to get the larger degree of trend, if you will, and the 10-minute too. Okay, but we're scalping on a 1-minute chart here. Okay, is this going to be A, B, C, or just? And a lot of times I'll take off a position. You know, I'm long a put right here, and it looks like that might be A, B, C, and then reestablish up here. You always want to get in at a better price if you can, especially if you have profits. Here we go, A, B, C. Up. Yeah, that's above that. I don't think that's going to be 5 because we've got 1, 2, 3, and you can see that's above. That can't be 4. Okay, but this could still be, or it could be 1, 2, 1, 2. See all the different combinations we got? We're analyzing every second as we go. Curious how this is going to work out. Let's see. Is this A up right here, or is it all of 4? Several counts in play. You gotta know where you're wrong, and you gotta know all your different options, if you will, or the different options the market is playing out here. Again, this could be a 1 down, 2 up, 1 down, 2 up. Okay, a series of 1s and 2s, as we say, or this could be A up, B down, and C up. We're trying to determine right now if 4 is complete here, or if it's going higher to here. Okay, we don't know until the market tells us. It will tell us. It's either going to break this low, or it's going to break that high. This low here, or that high there. Okay, here we go. See, and this could stay overbought or oversold for a very long time. So it's, again, it's not a be-all, end-all for trading. Okay. Let's see if it breaks it. If it breaks it, it should go, and then we'll do this. Okay. Let me get, we have that 1, 2. Okay, that was the target for 3, this black line here. I'm going to get a little bit ahead of myself here. Whoops, not that one. Let's move that over. We want to take this one here. If that is for, that's for 5 equals 1 right here. So it's going to be a very much lower low. That's what we're looking at. Okay, I'm going to stop it here and then take my trade, take my profit. Thank you.